Hello all, welcome back to our GK class. Today we are going to learn about the new part, that is Think Green. The first topic in this part is extinct animals. What is that extinct animal? Yes, a species of animal that is no longer living or no more in this world. What are the causes of this extinction? Do you know? Yes, habitat destruction, hunting, poaching, global warming, pollution, etc. Now, let us see some extinct animals. First one is Pyrenean ibex. Habitat southern France, northern Pyrenees and Cantabrian mountains. Causes of extinction: hunting, climate conditions, inability to compete with other livestock for food and diseases, and infections caught from animals. Next one, Western black rhinoceros. Habitat sub-Saharan Africa. Cause of extinction: poaching. Next one, golden toad. Habitat Costa Rica. Cause of extinction: pollution, global warming and fungal skin infection. Next is Carolina parakeet. Habitat Eastern United States. Causes of extinction: deforestation, hunting and illegal pet trade. Next one, passenger pigeon. Habitat North America. Causes of extinction: deforestation and hunting. Next is Pinda Island tortoise. Habitat Pinda Island. Causes of extinction: hunting and introduction of goats to the island, leading to shortage of food. Next topic is the efforts worked. Due to the wildlife conservation, we have been able to conserve many species of animals from extinction. So, let us see some such kind of animals. This is Amur falcon. In 2012, massive killings of migratory Amur falcons in Nagaland shocked the world. Through the efforts of the government, the local people and conservation organizations, from 2013 onwards, the birds have been welcomed as esteemed guests. Next is California condor. The California condor was facing extinction. The birds were captive bred to save them. The conservation efforts of San Diego Wild Animal Park and the Los Angeles Zoo have brought hundreds of these huge birds back in the wild. Next is Arabian oryx. The Arabian oryx went extinct in the wild due to hunting. Conservation efforts using captive breeding in zoos brought back the animal. Today, more than 1000 of these animals are found in the wild. Next is bald eagle. Between the 1970s and 1980s, use of the pesticide DDT in the state of New Jersey left just 2 bald eagles. DDT bans and conservation efforts have increased the number to 161 nesting pairs in 2015. Next one, olive ridley turtle. The olive ridley turtle had stopped coming to the Varvosa beach in Mumbai for breeding because of marine pollution. Afroz Shah and many volunteers cleaned the beach in 21 months. The turtles have now come back after 20 years. Next one is gharials. Gharials are critically endangered. the Wildlife Trust of India and the Bihar Forest Department released captive bred gharials into the Gadak River in 2014. By 2018, their numbers have gone up to 211 from 15 in 2010. Next topic is great men and women. In this topic, we are going to see some pupils and the description, but they are commonly referred to by another name. So, let us see who all are. He is Sonam Wangchuk. He is famous for building the ice stubas that store winter water in the form of conical heaves and melt during summer to supply water for farmers in Ladakh. He is also known as Snow Warrior. Next one is Jadav Molai Payak. Jadav Molai Payak created a forest of 550 hectares by planting bamboos and other species of trees on a sandbar of the river Brahmaputra in Assam. It is known as Molai Forest. He is also known as Forest Man. Next one, she is Jamuna Dodo. She is an environmental activist. She fights against people who cut down forests for commercial use in Jharkhand. Dodo founded Van Suraksha Samiti to prevent illegal felling of trees near her village. She is also known as Lady Tarzan. Next one is she is Salumarada Timmakka. She is the oldest living environmentalist in Karnataka. The 107 years old has planted 385 banyan trees along a 4 km stretch of highway between Huligal and Kudur in Bangalore. She is also known as Green Mother. Next is Dr. Shekhar Raghavan. Dr. Shekhar Raghavan of Chennai has been encouraging rainwater harvesting for over 2 decades. He is known as the Rain Man of Chennai. The last topic in this part is mixed bag. In this part, you can see some questions and their options. So, let us see what are the questions. First one is, it is a rain which is mixed with the sulfuric, nitric and other acids and responsible for damaging forest and crops. Options are frontal rain, acid rain, tropical rain, relief rain. Correct option is acid rain. Next is, this bacteria plays an important role in the ecosystem as they add nitrogen to the soil which plants use for growth. Options are probiotics, cyanobacteria, rhizobia, streptomyces. Correct option is C, rhizobia. Third question is, bees are eco-warrior animals responsible for pollination. They also help scientists detect. Options are A, harmful chemicals in the air, oxygen deficient locations, incoming storms in an area, earthquakes beforehand. Correct option is A, harmful chemicals in the air. Now you can see different types of pollution. First one is water pollution, next air pollution, next picture shows noise pollution, the last picture land pollution. This all in this part. See you on next class. Bye.